New cut, who this? We got today.
It's a white boy summer.
I know.
Alright, we got CJ's K-Series swapped BRZ fresh from Stefan Knapp from Knapp Motorsports. Welded up the turbo kit on it. It's got a Voltex lead in it. He did a set of injectors. We're going to be tuning on flex fuel. It doesn't have any crazy fuel pump setup or anything. It's got stock long block or stock bottom end. So it's going to be good punchy 400s. Get rolling on it, see what it does. Max we're gonna do is probably like 16 or 18 on ethanol, so pop the spring out so I can just at least run 7 or 8 pounds, and then I'll go from there.
Don't want to have this thing fly in your hood with one blue.
Yeah, I'm just making sure there's spots for this.
Yeah, so we're good. Okay, do I have to call or is it? Alright.
Let's see if we can do a pull.
What's up guys, Jordan here. Just want to fill you in on what you're about to see in the next few clips. The first day that we had the BRZ on the dyno, Kevin came to the conclusion the fuel system just wasn't adequate enough for the full setup. So he wanted to go forth and upgrade that before we get it back on there and start turning up the boost again. So we took the car from a completely stock fuel system to an upgraded radium kit that included a new fuel pump, new lines, and a return. So just wanted to fill you guys in on the next few clips in case there was some confusion why we just went directly from the dyno to the lift and then back to the dyno again. Let's hop back into it.
Yeah, that was just like 30% throttle. About a rip. It just makes boost like immediately. Jordan's got more?
Thing sounds like it's ripping.
Huh?
That sounds faster than 340.
I know. Doesn't it sound like crazy?
It's like what are you revving out to?
78.
78.
That's what he had it at previously.
Yeah, it sounds faster than that.
I think I'm gonna pull the plugs out of and gap them. Get hear it like a little bit of a, you know, a little. You can hear it spittle. Once it comes into boost, gets a little bit richer. I think pud's got to come down a little bit. The graph looks good. I mean, I could I think I gotta start VTEC later because as soon as it comes in, it gets a little bit rich. So I don't think it needs it there. So I'm gonna move that over.
That little bump up top is VTEC?
It's just like that little it comes on at 5,000, and I think I can just turn it on at 52 or 5300. I think it'd just be better. I don't think it likes it there. Like I said, as soon as it comes on, it dips pretty rich. Like it doesn't crazy rich, but it shouldn't be turning on then. That's what I'm saying. There's not enough. It needs to be moving a little bit more air with RPM. So it's just like just throwing a cam in it. You got like your stock cam, and then you got your high lift, big duration deal. So obviously, you know, bigger cam, you're gonna lose bottom end. So use your, you know, your other cam lobe for that, where it make more power, lower RPM, and then let the big one come on with RPM. Let it sing. Should I just keep revving it right to the moon? Okay. I had to time it before, and it picked up 50 wheel, 4 degrees. I added 2 degrees, and it picked up 10 wheel. So probably not gonna add it in time. Probably be more comfortable actually going out and gapping the plugs, checking the catch can, and then putting ethanol in it. 10 pounds, 345. You know, that's 120, 130 wheel over what it was. So it's probably some left in it, but I mean, it's flex fuel, so why max out 93 if you're gonna run good fuel in it? Why? Right, Jordan?
Right.
He said rapid.
Huh?
He said rapid.
I mean, just had to fix a couple dumb things. Put a return style radiant fuel system in it with it's got a big boy 525 liter per hour pump. It's got a BRZ turnless kit, so it's got the hanger, all that stuff. I just had to repin the connector for the flex harness, and also what gave the switch 12 volt to the boost controller. I had to redo that because that wasn't, because you need 12 volt on one side, ground in the center, and 5 volt output. The other side of the flex connector, that wasn't hooked up right. Hooked that up right. The sensor worked for like 10 minutes and then it died, so I don't know if because it was wired wrong and then rewired it and it just died after that or what, but then it died. Swapped the flex sensor out with a new one, all good to go. Left 10 psi spring in the gate for 93, and then I got to start tuning on ethanol. Brought in the 3-port wasn't working. Figured that out at the switch 12 volt, going to 3-port. We just had to swap that. It was a big deal. Got that working. Gapped the plugs.
It was a bit of a process, but
yeah, just a bit of a growing pains with a fresh build. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. It happens. Building cars. That's what it's about. So Got it finished up, made 460 wheel on 16 pounds of boost. 11 degrees of timing up top, nothing crazy. 11.7, 11.8 AFR. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now, tune a Camaro.